Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to initialize renderer error on your Windows PC. Start by updating your graphics driver. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD driver website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. During installation, choose the Clean Installation option if it's available. This removes old driver files and settings that could be causing the problem. Restart your PC after the installation. Next, install the legacy DirectX runtime. Some older games need DirectX components that are not included with the latest version of Windows. Download the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime from Microsoft's official website, install it, and restart your computer if prompted. If the error still appears, disable any overlay programs running in the background. Applications such as Discord, GeForce Experience, and Overwolf can interfere with the game's graphics renderer. Turn off their in-game overlay features or close the programs completely before launching the game. Finally, verify the game files. On Steam, open your library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're using another launcher like Epic Games or the EA app, use its Verify or Repair option. After completing these steps, launch the game again to see if the renderer error has been fixed. Thanks for watching.